The Humphead Wrasse, also known as the Napoleon wrasse, is one of the most impressive fish found on coral reefs. This iconic species lives in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It is easily recognized by its large forehead hump, thick lips, and beautiful blue-green colors that shine under the sunlight. The Humphead wrasse is among the largest reef fish in the world, growing up to 2 meters long. Even with its massive size, it is a peaceful and curious fish, often swimming slowly around reefs and showing little fear of divers. Its diet includes crabs, mollusks, sea urchins, and even harmful species like the crown-of-thorns starfish, helping protect coral reefs naturally. This fish grows slowly and can live for over 30 years. It can also change sex from female to male, a rare and fascinating trait in the ocean. Sadly, the Humphead wrasse is endangered due to overfishing. Protecting this gentle giant is essential for keeping our reefs healthy.